Okay, so we're back. We're going to be working on the sound. The only thing that I forgot that I will put in the end is I'm going to ask for subscribers and thank the audience for watching. So let's see. It looks like the background is still working. That is nice. Okay, so let's take a look here. I just turned up the volume here. Let me see. And to do that, if you just bring you see that there's two arrows going up and down. If you move it up, if you click and then move up, you see that there's a decibels 25, and it goes all the way down to negative 24, well, negative 100, so it will silence it basically. So let's listen. So I don't hear anything. Oh, that's A2. I'm highlighting. I'm sorry. So, of course, I thought I was doing the main track. I mean, the secondary track, but the main track is what I need to do. That's where the ocean sounds are. Unless you want to go through and do that, add those in. So right here, you can see there isn't much sound. I'm gonna go in here and. So there you go. There's the sound. So let me right off the bat, what I'm gonna do is first click on this. You can see I don't want the. I'm gonna be cutting this right here. I don't want to cut the video, the visual. I just want to cut the audio, so it's only the sound. So I'm gonna hit unlink. Where it was linked, now it's unlinked. You gotta click off. And then click back to just the sound, and I'm gonna go to where right about there, hit B, and we're gonna delete that. We're gonna move this all the way to the front, and I'm not terribly concerned with the audio and the visual matching, but what I do want to do is delete the rest of this. I thought these were all. Oh, let me unlink all of these. I only unlinked the one, so it should be all unlinked. Come on. I don't want it to be linked. Okay, so now delete. Those are all gone. I'll go over here, copy this one, Command C, go to the end of that section right there, and I'm going to Control V it all the way across. I don't know if there's a faster or better way to do that. So sometimes that's good enough for me, right? Now there's a master volume switch over here where I can turn it down or turn it up. So that's my A1. I'm going to turn it down just a hair. That sounded a little loud. I think a 5 or 4.1, whatever. Now if you hit the space bar, and there you go. So we've got some sound. There's some more we can do, of course. As always, there is essentially an infinite number of things we can do to change. Now improve, it's a different story. Now let's go back here. You see this line between the video and the audio. We're gonna look to add some audio. Now, I'm not going to do it in this video, but in the next one, we will, maybe we'll do some GarageBand. I'll show you how to do some GarageBand. This is just going to be simple. If you already have audio you want to put in there, I'm going to go back and import some. And, as always, how much the audio matches up. So there's a Ninth Symphony in here. Let me change just to a list. So I'm looking for MP3s. So once again, even though this is the imports things, I can hold the space bar and actually see what's there. Now, those aren't things I was going for. Oh, that was a fart. Let me see here. So these are all part of a video. I'm just kind of recycling sounds that I had in the past. Shouldn't think of that negatively. You know, it's just not practical to write an original score every time out, but so that's not bad. I mean, I like that, so I'm gonna use, here we go. I got some nice music from the Far East. More than enough to fill this up. Okay. So there we go. I mean, if you really want to just be fast about it, I'm going to add an audio track. I just right click into the tracks, but add track. You have to decide mono, stereo. I just put mono. A little bit easy. Now, think about what we talked about in the last video. Making the first moment interesting. Now, I do like, there's a lot of things I like here, but I don't really think this is a battle. So I'm gonna take out, I don't know if you can even hear. I'm gonna turn this up just a little bit. So I'm gonna cut it right there and get rid of the battle part of this clip. Now remember, it's still up there. If I wanna, the rest of it, I can have it. It's not like that goes away. And so let's see what the oops. My Control Z that I accidentally turned it all the way up.
Waiting. Savor it for me. The fight is set. Fail to send you. Waiting, Drake. Savor it for me. I will dispatch you by my sword.
I might have to turn that off.
Waiting drains one's vigor. The fight is set. I will dispatch you by my sword. Send you.
I don't know what that is, but I might leave it in.
The fight is set. Fail to send you.
Now
Waiting
there's,
to take me.
you're concerned about like intros.
I will dispatch you by my sword. Waiting drains one's vigor. The fight is set. I will dispatch you by my sword and you.
Let's
Savor it for me.
Yeah, so I must have had something on in the background. Oh, I think it really purple. I thought I did. I think this one's good. This is kind of cool. Turn down. It's almost like an animated character. Repeat myself. Wow. Now, if you don't play this game, this is actually a very. This is kind of the level that you get a lot of points, but it's extremely difficult. So because of that, you'll see a lot of it when you edit because it's so difficult. I'm sorry. Yeah, I think this is a nice calming video, and I think it adds something to add some calming music to it.
I will dispatch you by my sword and you. Savor it for me. Fight is set.
Now the question is, do I keep this music, this motif for
Waiting drains one's vigor. Fight is set. I will dispatch you by my sword.
if you listen closely enough, you can hear it. Yeah, I think that's too much for this video. So I'm just basically holding open auditions here. So, like, here it is. There's that. Now, something like that may not be bad. It's like, hey, wake up. We've got a, another game coming. So, let's go ahead and go to this one. So, if we just put like right there. So first, let me find something to put. Okay, here. So let's ease them into it. So this going left and right basically allows you to control, the ramp up to the song. So here, let's take a listen.
Set. I will dispatch you by my sword and you.
Now, if you're going in with that, you better be ready to, rock out the rest of the way. But let me fix this first. What do you think? Better? More legible, I guess. Okay. Well, I'm gonna hit OK over there. Now we're just looking to fill it in. Like, I think we're gonna stick with the. I just kind of want to say, hey, we got something different here. If you weren't paying attention, and now go back to where we were. Just miss that. That's an important thing. Has a natural kind of fade to it. Come on, here we go. Put this in here. Happy with, come on, why don't you just and this is an important part of all of this. It's being gracious to your audience, just give them a big thank you and mean it. I put a please subscribe, but we're going to change this color, just make it black. Has black look here. Bold and beautiful. Just increasing the size. Oops. Thank you. Please subscribe. And we are about done. Thank you for taking this journey with me. I'm going to just delete these things over here. That's the end of the video for this video. I'm going to export. Well, first I'm going to hit Command S. This is save. I'm going to hit quick export. YouTube export. No, not actually. I'm going to do a TikTok export because of the size. I know it probably doesn't matter, but it kind of keeps it in my brain what the if it's horizontal or vertical. So what was this? This was ball run and sandwich. Ball run. So back in the day, for SEO purposes, and sandwich runner. it was actually important to write these kind of things, because the Googs actually looked at file names. I don't know if that's what's the case or just rumors. All this stuff is kind of we got 4 minutes, 5 minutes. I will put pause and come back up to 6 minutes. Come back and finish this up. It's just a matter of waiting, and then we're going to upload. And it looks like it's done, so I just want to... Nope, it's not done. Jeez Louise. We got 4 minutes and 25 seconds. So what we're going to do is, once this is done, upload it to YouTube. Let me pause it. Okay, we are going to finish up here. Just going to show you how to upload if you don't know. Right here, we go to create, hit upload. We're going to select our file. It goes to your last folder almost every time, and there it is, and that's it. We're going to hit upload, and it is uploaded, and we're just going to put the information in that's valuable. Remember, we did have that thumbnail from earlier. Let me see if I can find it. Come on, where are you? I'm pretty sure that's it. I mean, that's very late. There's a certain level of laziness to that. Come on, where are you? Icons. There it is. It was the right one. I'm going to upload that, and I'll fill in the rest here. But thank you so much for watching. There will be more if you like.